Today we're going to take a look at this Homelite 3816C chainsaw. We believe the motor has been run with straight gas, not an oil mix. So we're going to take the muffler off to check it out. I've already started taking the muffler off. We broke one stud. The bottom bolt came off, the top one snapped. But on top of that is the screen, which is a spark arrestor. And then you have your diverter, goes right there. So we're gonna get this top cover off right here and see what we got. To get the top cover off, there's going to be two screws down here. They're Torx bits. On this particular model, it's a T20. You're going to need a long reach T20 to get down in here. So we'll get this screw up out of the way. We'll do the same on the other side. Right here. So as we can see, we've got the cover lifted up for the most part, but it's stuck right here. You can just get a straight slot screwdriver in there and pop that out. Your cover comes out. I'm going to go ahead and take this bar and chain off. Set that aside. Now, looking inside the exhaust, you have these two exhaust ports, and down inside there, you can't see them with this lighting, but there are two Allen. I don't have one long enough to get in there, but I can get a T30 Torx bit in. So we'll get those two bolts off, and then we'll get that muffler off and take a look. Looks like we're caught right here. You can see here, these are the Allen bolts, but the next size smaller Torx bit will fit into it. We'll have to get this bolt out. This is a T25 or a straight slot. I'm just going to sneak in here with a pair of needle nose vice grips and hold that. Hold that nut. And there is our exhaust. Alright, if we look right inside there at the piston, you see those lines on it? It's that scoring. This engine was run with straight gas, no two-stroke. And the bad side about not having the two-stroke oil in it, it's damaged the cylinder, it's damaged the piston, it's damaged the rings. So, even though it's only a Homelite, it's still a chainsaw. It's still usable by a homeowner. This one now is trash. It's a $100 plus chainsaw. Garbage now. All right. Well, thanks for watching. Thanks for coming along with this little journey here. If you like what you see, go ahead and subscribe. Leave a comment. Hit a thumbs up if you feel like it. We'll put out more content when we can. Thanks again. Bye-bye.